Hey there, Colin with Key Renter Salt Lake here with you. I'm excited to be out and about. It's summertime, so I'm out for a little walk and wanted to give you a quick update on things. Today I wanted to talk about the three biggest ROI killers when it comes to maintenance. Three of the most common things that we see with Key Renter here at Key Renter Salt Lake. Number one is AC repairs, AC and HVAC repairs. Number two, plumbing repairs and issues with that. And number three is appliance issues. We're finding that some of those are some of the most costly issues that we have that we can easily be prevented. So first one, AC and HVAC repairs. It's in today's world, we've got to be making sure we're taking care of that. ACs, HVAC systems, furnaces, they can cost $6,000 to $12,000 to replace when it's simply an easy HVAC tune-up would help keep those well cared for, swapping out furnace filters, doing all of that kind of stuff. We handle furnace filters with our tenants. We send them quarterly, and we also swap them out at inspection time. So we're doing preventative maintenance there. But we got to be making sure that to do those AC tune-ups and those furnace tune-ups every year to make sure they aren't wearing out before their lifetime, and so we can be better prepared for when to actually replace those, so it's not an unexpected cost that just eats into our ROI. Next one is plumbing repairs, whether that be disposals or leaks or any of that kind of stuff. We've got to be making sure to educate our tenants, which we do at Key Renter Salt Lake, on how to properly care for those type of things, as well as checking to make sure there's no slow leaks, checking to make sure we're checking under all the vanities for any issues, because a slow leak can easily turn into something larger, so we want to make sure to be preventative on that kind of stuff. The last one is appliances, and this one I want to talk about the rule of 50. There's a rule out there that if the repair costs more than 50% of what the actual appliance is worth, it's not worth doing. So for example, for most of the repairs that we're seeing on appliances are going to be above $200 to $300. So if your appliance is a $600 appliance and you're spending $300 to repair it, you're better off in the long term to just buy the new appliance and then replace it at that point. I know it's $300 more, but then you're going to have years of no issues. Whereas just repairing it, you could have another issue in 2 to 3 years rather than 5 to 7 years. You're putting in another $200 to $400 at that time. And then at that point, you've already spent more than what a new appliance would have been in the same time frame. So we got to keep that in mind when we're doing repairs to appliances. It's that rule of 50%. If your appliance costs more than your appliance repair costs more than 50%, it's better to just replace it. So those are the three things I wanted to talk about as far as the biggest ROI killers. And then I also wanted to talk about the opportunity there is here. There's a bunch of subscription options out there to do some of this preventative maintenance, like swapping out furnace filters, doing HVAC tune-ups, doing garage door tune-ups, replacing your filters, cleaning out your dryer vents, cleaning out your doing a water heater flush. There's companies like Upkeep Home Services, Mountain Men Services. There's even a Lowe's national thing that came out in March of this year. It's $99 a year. They do 7 things every single year for your home to help keep home maintenance affordable. So there's options from that $99 a year to the most expensive one I saw was $200 a month. I probably wouldn't go with that. I actually have a home subscription for my personal home through Upkeep Home Services. They come out once a quarter. They do 5 to 10 items on the list, including winterization and summer prep of my sprinklers. They swap out furnace filters. We do an AC tune-up. We do a furnace tune-up. We clean out the dryer vents. We do a lot of different things. If you're interested in getting one of those for your property, I think it's a great move and would be an awesome opportunity to increase your ROI, keep your home in tip-top shape, as well as just get preventative maintenance done. On top of that, they offer other benefits for bigger projects if you need that kind of stuff. So thank you for listening in, and I hope you enjoy your summer and that this was helpful for you. Take care.